if you're not in Ocean City, bro, what the fuck are you doing? What is up, everybody? It's your boy Lil Mike. Appreciate y'all for tuning back into another video. It is the weekend of Cruise Week, and we're about to head out to Ocean City. When I say we, I mean me. You know, all my guys, Trevor, Aiden, Parth, and a couple other homies, Jair, Fru. We're all about to drive up there to Ocean City. Right now, it is 4:35 p.m. We're supposed to leave out around 6:30. So I'm actually about to jump in the shower really quickly. I got my bag packed here. Still got like an hour and a half before we roll out, but the cruise weekend last year was so good, and I was only there for one day. But this time I'm staying out for coming there Friday night, staying there all Saturday. We're coming back Sunday afternoonish. So can't wait to enjoy, get all this content for you guys. Hopefully I can get a couple videos out for y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna pick this back up once we link up at the car wash with everybody. All right, y'all. Linked up.
Wait, you face
with Trevor. Got Parth and Aiden. Just got gas. Yo, Trevor locked his fucking key in his car. Had to call a locksmith and wait for him. So we about to get ready to roll up out of here in a second. We just had to stop and get gas. My car dirty, but it's a 3-hour drive up there anyway, so my car's gonna get dirty on the way up. So I'll wash it when I get there. Yo, what's up, y'all? Caleb just randomly pulled up on us at the gas station, and we just convinced him to go out to Ocean City with us. So we about to actually go to following him to his crib. He's about to pack a bag, and we heading out. We just making shit shake on the fly right now, bro. Y'all, Caleb just lied to us. He had to drive all the way to his fucking house just to tell us that he can't go because he's going to tune in Evo tomorrow. But it's okay. We still love Caleb. We're about to head out to Ocean City now. Gonna get there at 10 o'clock. First pit stop, we at this Wawa. We in Ocean City right now. We still got like another hour drive. Waiting on Jair, Fru, and a couple of other homies. So about to chill here for a little bit because they got like 20 more minutes before they get here, and we're about to eat. What's up, Anna?
What's up, Lil Mike vlog? What's going on?
My homie Fru, single turbo F82. Shit is nuts. She don't sound so good. Jair's G35. This was actually his first car before he had the F82 down there. But yeah, nah, that shit is crazy. This is Jair's F82. Jair tripping having his windows down and his door open. We got this one homie that just pulled up in his C8. So it should be a nice little cruise down, but we got the Opras out. And they is not playing right now. We got another one sitting right there. So we about to try and make this quick, yo, and get up out of here and leave as silently as possible. We are on the way. We just rolled out, and we are probably gonna be chilling on the way there because, bro, there is so many cops out right now. Like, I can't even describe to y'all how many police officers I just seen in the past like 6 minutes, dog. I probably seen like 12, not even exaggerating. So we're definitely just about to be chilling. The speed limit is 55. We're probably about to be going 55 the whole way there. You know, all of our cars are loud as hell, so it's like we already making noise. The least we can do is go to speed limit. So probably not gonna be recording much either while I'm driving up. So yeah, we'll just pick this back up once we get to the beach house. What up, y'all? Finally made it to Ocean City. We're about 3 minutes away from our fucking beach house, and yeah, it's been a long drive. Homie with the G35 ended up getting pulled over, man. So we ended up just kept driving up. Thankfully, he got let off with a warning. Alright, we just pulled up. It's me and Trevor's room right here. Got Aiden's room. Y'all, we're lit as fuck, man. We just tripping right now. Oh, fuck, I'm over here bumping the door, man.
They didn't want a headboard because they're rich and Indian. They need a headboard. That's how.
Wait, what?
I told him. He just started throwing the other way.
Camera. Alright, y'all. This is day 2. How you feeling, Park?
Chilling, bro.
Yeah. Everybody go wash the whip. Probably grab some breakfast in a second. And Yeah, see where everyone at. It is like 10 o'clock. We tired as hell. Yeah, last night we was pretty much just bullshitting. We was just walking around. We was at this one little restaurant slash bar, getting some drinks and food. And then after that, we was just walking up and down the strip, seeing whose cars was out and whatnot. So we just chilling now. All of our cars is down here. We got Parth, Trevor, and me, and then Aiden right there. So yeah, we about to go wash the cars, grab something to eat. Cause I'm starving, bro. I barely ate yesterday. I just got like liquor sitting in my stomach, bro. I voted to park on the street because we was gonna have to wake up early and move our cars anyway. So I'm like, let me just park my shit on the street now. Y'all might think I'm crazy, but man, it's right there. Like, fuck it. Bro, no way that car's got in front of me. I feel scared. Alright, y'all. Just put up to the fucking car wash. Got me, Aiden, Parth, Trevor. Thankfully, there's only 3 people in this car wash right now, so don't got that much of a wait. Alright, y'all, we just about finished washing the car. Got me, Parth, Trevor shit all washed up, Aiden shit washed up. Just meant to do it is 135. Fat ass B lot, M54, 135. Shit is nice, bro. And this dude is clean ass G80, bro. Fuck. Valvetronic exhaust too. You think he slick? Got the G-Wagon though? Shit. Oh my god, y'all, there's so many cars out here. We just got done eating breakfast. We about to pull up to the main little area. It's just like 7-Eleven that everyone camps out at, so we about to pull up. But yeah, this is LS Swap 240 in front of me. Still got the same group of people, me, Trevor, Aiden, and Parth. Oh my god, like, look at that, bro. Oh my lord. There's so much shit out here. How many cars is outside? Oh my lord. Buddy. Evo is hard as hell, and that Benz right there. Oh fuck, bro. That shit is gas. Man, that motherfucker chopped in with the fucking V-lock. That's that cool in front of him. Yeah. Gallardo. Oh man, that shit is hard. Hey, y'all, we just basically pulled up to the block, bro. Hella shit out here. God damn. Trevor car looking so fucking good right now. Ari red F90 M5. That shit is baller. The fuck? GTR hard as fuck, bro. Oh my god. Look how deep this dish is. Shit. This is where everybody stay at. This nice ass CTSV right here. I'm doing alright, bro. Jeez. That shit. Java 135. It's a perk. Hey, yo. Shit, bro. Fucking wide body that. Damn. This is crazy. 2 big ass turbos in this shit. My homie Hef's F80 right here. It's fire orange. Individual fire orange on the E88s. God damn. Come on, bro. You know I'm back here for this motherfucker. Alright, Hef, I'll get up with you, yo. It's my homie Wes's E92. You already know this is the best E92 in the DMV. On this fucking E88. God damn it, bro. This white cage. There's the other homie John C63 right here. It's for sale. He's trying to sell this joint. Wistek supercharged. Such a clean build. This Camaro kind of hard though, bro. What the fuck? Damn, he be burning up hella tire. You think he's been doing? Blazer SS got the nicest paint I done fucking seen, bro. God damn. Jeez. Yo, got the New Balance like that. Getting all the radio signals. C60. Damn. Nigga left a whirlpool of shit. Alright. Look at that Lambo.
We out here, cruising week. Boys, y'all already know. How you feeling, Aiden? You liking it?
I'm feeling great. It's a little bit sunny. Kind of wish I had sunglasses, honestly.
Yeah.
My eyes kind of hurt. It's nice though. We're getting tan.
This shit's clean. Look at this too. That's clean. So we out here just posted up by the what, the CVS? We got Mike, we got Parth, we got Dave, we got Aiden, you got yours truly, you already know. Little RC cars out here. Little RC cars. Yo!
Fucking van and V8. Skinny?
Oh, okay, on the trailer.
Track car getting pulled by the Hellcat. I mean, the Hellcat getting pulled by the track car. Damn. Got the G80 M3 CS parked in front of Parks M4 CS. Red. Bro, this 996 turbo is so gas, dog. Oh my god. And it's manual too. Fuck. Bro, I know this joint's hella bread. Fuck. AMG GT63, bro. Oh my god. Fucking hell. Then another 991 turbo, bro. Oh. Bro, fucking hell. This is the wet lineup right here, bro. I swear to god. Oh my god. This G80 is busting right now. Fuck. This E63 is hard, nigga. God damn. Bro, look at these. Why is his hood? Fly off with these winds, yo. You about to be mad. It's carbon too. That shit definitely fly the fuck off. We saw this M2 earlier on the Apexes. V5 RS. Manual OG M2. Okay. Got the stance enforcer truck out. Funny as shit. So many cars, y'all. God damn. Oh my god. Man, that Mustang down there look hard. Dog, look at this, yo. This is so crazy to me. All these fly-ass cars. Alright, y'all, we about to head right back to the strip. We was at the crib just chilling for a little bit because we got a little exhausted, so we about to go to the strip. Everyone's out here. We about to get active. Oh, our car looks so good. God damn. That AMG GT is baller. That 80 right here. Yeah. It's hard, bro. God damn, that fucking Mustang is chopping, bro. Look how meaty that dude's tire is. Holy fuck. Hella people here. Ooh, that's C5. Damn, someone left that block stinky over there. It was all cloudy and ugly. All the fast boys. Look at that CTSV, C7Z. Ooh. GTO is nice. Boy, SF. Oh man, so much hard shit just driving by. See them button skinnies up front. Speed 3 hard. Are we back on the strip with it? Got this GT3 RS in here. Oh my god. God damn. This attack race. Too wet, bro. On the VSKS. Rumble. The yellow cage in this motherfucker. Man, this 340 hard as a bitch. On the Apex V5 RS's. Nah, this shit, yes. Okay. Nice performante right here. Oh my god. Drop this jet ski off right here. It's an 836 drift car. This shit hard. Damn, this shit is gas. And really at the fucking block. 400G is hard. Supra goes hard, bro. Yeah, nah, this Supra is nice, bro. One of the best Supras I've seen. This shit, chop. Hey.
How's the day been?
It's been lit.
You've been
seeing a lot of cars.
Yeah, enjoying your stay at the beach house on 7th Street? Okay, good.
Yo, if your bitch is in OC, yo, she ready to get slutted out in the back of my car, yo. I'm really on some drag and shit.
You say what?
What do you think about what he said?
He looking for a beautiful
I didn't even know what he said.
He looking for a beautiful Indian princess.
A beautiful, a beautiful Indian princess.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Indian princess. He wants to get married ASAP.
Well, nah, I didn't say all that.
He's very, very rich. He got CS. He scams people a lot.
Oh, whoa, what the fuck, bro? Bro, if you're not in Ocean City, bro, what the fuck are you doing?
I'm at the beach.
back on the block. Fucking 720S pulled up.
Love me and my habits, bitch, I'm in that mode again. Thank you for that.